While multiple labels are generally printed on large reels of label substrate, customers require rolls of single labels for use on their product labeling machines. Roll label slitter machine operators set up, operate, and maintain the machines that slit and trim reels of printed labels into quality-assured, finished products that are ready for delivery to the customer. By reading and interpreting work ticket instructions, they get all the information they need for new jobs. First, they collect and load the correct reels of printed labels onto the unwind section of the machine. They secure the web of the incoming job to the web of the completed job to feed it through the machine. Once the reel of new printed material reaches the machine's slitting unit, they set up the slitting blades to the correct position. These blades slit the rows of labels apart from each other, while at the same time trimming the edges of waste material. They also set up the mechanisms that remove the trimmed material. They continue to check and make adjustments to the slitting blades until they are happy that the final product meets specifications. At this point, they remove the waste from the machine's rewind section. Using a sample label as a guide, they measure and cut the reel cores onto which the finished labels will be wound. They use these to set up the rewind reel so that it only contains the final finished product. The number of rolls is determined by the number of labels stepped up on the printed reels. During the run, operators increase the speed of the machine and monitor the console of the machine for any quality problems detected. Where gaps are identified from labels removed for sampling during the printing run, they carefully replace these. Where sections of the web do not meet print quality standards, they remove the affected section and carefully rejoin or splice the web again. They also monitor the slitting and trimming dimensions and make micro adjustments where necessary. Once the number of labels on the rolls have reached the number required, operators stop the machine. They unload the finished rolls and prepare them for dispatch by adding barcoded product stickers and loading them onto a trolley. The process is repeated until the required number of finished rolls of labels have been produced. At the completion of a job, operators do a final quality check of label samples against the proof. This job requires an eye for detail, a steady hand, the ability to concentrate for long periods of time, as well as mechanical aptitude. Roll label slitter machine operators perform a critical function in the process of producing consistently high-quality roll labels for consumer products.